Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect the latest gadgets and gizmos to help you make informed decisions about your tech investments.
Today, we're diving into the Corsair MP600 Elite 2TB SSD.
A sleek and speedy storage solution that promises to take your PC performance to new heights.
Let's jump right in. First off, let's talk speed. The Corsair MP600 Elite is not your average SSD. With a PCIe 4.0 interface and the powerful Phison E27T controller, this bad boy delivers blazing fast sequential read and write speeds of up to 7,000 megabytes per second and 6,500 megabytes per second respectively. That's right, we're talking about transfer speeds that'll make your head spin. But it's not just about raw speed. The MP600 Elite also boasts impressive power efficiency, ensuring that you get top-notch performance without draining your system's resources. With the optional heatsink, you can keep temperatures in check even during extended gaming sessions or intensive workloads. Now, let's talk versatility. Whether you're a hardcore gamer looking to upgrade your PS5 or a content creator building a powerhouse PC, the Corsair MP600 Elite has got you covered. Its compact M2 2280 form factor and PS5-compatible heatsink make installation a breeze, while its robust construction ensures reliability for years to come. Now, I know what you're thinking. What about endurance? Well, fear not, because the MP600 Elite comes with a solid 5-year warranty and is rated for up to 1,200 terabytes of writes, ensuring that your data is safe and secure. Plus, with AES 256-bit encryption support, you can rest easy knowing that your sensitive files are protected from prying eyes. But wait, there's more. Corsair's SSD Toolbox offers a suite of handy features, including drive health monitoring, secure erasing, and software over-provisioning, allowing you to optimize performance and maximize lifespan with ease. It's like having a personal SSD maintenance assistant right at your fingertips. So, what's the final verdict? The Corsair MP600 Elite 2TB SSD is a solid performer that ticks all the right boxes. With its impressive speed, efficiency, and versatility, it's a worthy addition to any tech enthusiast's arsenal. Whether you're a gamer, a creator, or just someone who demands the best, the MP600 Elite delivers in spades. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and until next time, happy computing!